What if the sun disappeared? Right now. No explosion, no warning, just gone. Would Earth instantly freeze? Would we float into space? Would we survive even one day? In the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly what would happen, step by step, in simple words, so anyone can understand. But before we switch off the sun forever, subscribe to Thinkverse. It costs nothing, but gives me inspiration to create more mind-bending what-if stories for you. Now, let's turn off the lights. Here's the strange part. If the sun vanished, we wouldn't notice for 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Why? Because sunlight takes that long to reach Earth. So for 8 minutes, everything feels normal. Birds fly, cars move, people scroll their phones, and then darkness, complete darkness. The sky turns black, even at noon. Within seconds, the moon disappears. It only shines because of sunlight. The sky fills with stars normally hidden by daylight. Solar-powered systems shut down instantly. But gravity also travels at the speed of light. So after 8 minutes, Earth no longer feels the sun's pull. We stop orbiting. Instead of moving in a circle around the sun at 30 kilometers per second, Earth shoots off in a straight line into deep space. We become a wandering planet. Without sunlight, surface temperature begins dropping fast. Within 24 hours, global average temperature falls from 15 degrees to 0 degrees. Within a week, it drops to 19 degrees. Oceans don't freeze immediately because they hold heat, but lakes and rivers start turning to ice. Plants stop photosynthesis immediately. Within days, food chains begin collapsing. Solar panels? Useless. Most crops? Gone within weeks. After 1 year without the sun, average temperature falls to about 73 degrees. The oceans freeze on the surface, forming thick ice layers. Only deep ocean water remains liquid because of geothermal heat. Humans could survive underground for some time. We would rely on nuclear energy, geothermal heat, artificial farming systems. But civilization as we know it, gone. After millions of years, Earth becomes a frozen, rogue planet drifting through space. No sunrise, no seasons, just eternal night. But here's something fascinating. Without the sun's radiation and solar storms, satellite damage would stop, solar flares would no longer threaten power grids, space travel near Earth becomes safer in one sense. And if Earth passed near another star millions of years later, it could be captured into a new orbit. A second chance. But the downside is overwhelming. 99% of life on Earth depends directly or indirectly on sunlight. Photosynthesis produces most of our oxygen. Without it, oxygen levels slowly decline over centuries. No sun, no long-term surface life. It's not just darkness, it's silence. Here's something mind-blowing. The sun accounts for 99.8% of all mass in the solar system. It is the anchor, the engine, the heater, the timekeeper. Remove it, and everything changes instantly. If this blew your mind, imagine what happens next. In our next What If short, we'll explore: what if we achieved biological immortality by altering human DNA to extend natural lifespans indefinitely? Would we solve death or create new problems humanity has never faced? That video drops within the next few days, and you don't want to miss it. So share, comment your thoughts. And if you've stayed with me through this cosmic darkness, Subscribe to Thinkverse for more universe-shaking questions. Because here we don't just ask, what if? We explore what it would really mean